Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am editing this video right now and I realized that I never filmed an intro, so I want to give you guys a proper introduction and let's get started. This lighting's terrible. I just randomly felt like washing all my couch cushions at 5 p.m. So I started taking them off of my little accent pillows, and I don't know if they're gonna ruin or not, so I thought let me try my accent pillows first before I ruin my whole entire couch. So I'm gonna put those to wash. I'm gonna do like a light dry, maybe probably a light dry, and see how they come out. And then I'm gonna do the rest of my couch because, like I've mentioned, I'm into my deep cleaning era. So I'm about to start washing those, and I'll give you guys an update. Hey guys, I realized that I never gave you an update on my whole couch situation. So yesterday I spent the whole day taking up all the cushions and washing them in the washer, and my couch is already messy because I was laying on it and I have some clothes that I bought John that he's dry on, whatever. Messy, just ignore. But these bottom cushions, the top ones were fine. These bottom ones were so hard to take off. They were like, I don't know, kind of glued onto the cushion. I don't know, just super hard to explain, and it was so much work by myself. I was getting so frustrated. Probably the last time I'll ever do that again. I'm just gonna freaking disinfect it with some spray, but they smell so good with like fresh fabric softener, which they need because my kitchen's right there and I'm constantly cooking, so I feel like the food gets trapped into the fabric. But whatever, glad I did it, but it was such a pain in the ass. So if your cushions are super hard to come off, I wouldn't recommend doing it because it's going to be hard to put them back on. Also just got in a big Amazon order that I'm going through right now, and I got the cutest little rings. This one is a pinky ring, but it's huge on my pinky. And then these other ones that it came with are way too tight. So unfortunately I'm going to have to return, but they're so cute. I really like them. And this one's even bigger one, so maybe I'll exchange it for a bigger size. I then got this little necklace. Hold on. Let's see. Can't really see it that well on here, but a tiny, tiny little cross. I just wanted to stack some necklaces, so I wanted to see if their jewelry would be any decent quality. So we'll see. I got these black shorts. They're like a mid-thigh black denim short, and I got a size 28. They're a little big on my waist and stuff, so I don't know if I should exchange them. I feel like the 27 then gets too tight on my butt and it looks like super squished and weird, so it's just like really hard for me with shorts and some pants, but they're really cute. I think I'm gonna keep them, but I'll see. And then I got some Nespresso pods, and I got the wrong damn pods. They're really big, so I gotta return those and exchange them. And then in here, I'm traveling to Europe this summer, so I got a air tags. I got the case for it, and then 4 little air tags in here. And then I got this little travel toiletry bag, so I gotta open that up and see if it's anything good. And I don't know what else I got, but I guess I'll open this on camera. So here's the little travel bag I got. The outside is like kind of really ugly, so I'm gonna see if there's anything cuter on Amazon. I didn't really notice the print, but it seems to really fit a lot. I don't know. It's alright. I'm gonna see if I can find something better. I'm having like such a hard time finding like a really good toiletry bag that fits a lot, because I'm gonna need a lot more room than this. It is so late. It's 11 o'clock right now, but I'm so hungry because I had a super early dinner. So I'm making some gluten-free pasta with some shaved Parmesan, and I'm gonna add some garlic and olive oil to it. Not very healthy, but I'm burning so many calories a day that I need to really fuel up my body. I should not be eating this late, but I'm just so hungry and I'm so tired too. But I feel like I just really need to munch on something. But today all I did all day was film a try-on haul for TikTok and YouTube, which actually should be already up by the time you guys see this, so go check that out if you haven't watched it yet. And I realized I never gave you guys context of that like massage place the other day, but John and I went and got massages. We were sitting in this salt room, which has like a whole bunch of, let me put you in here, has a whole bunch of benefits. It's really good for asthma, eczema, breathing, things like that. We had it complimentary because they couldn't get us in at the same time. We had to wait back to back, so whatever. We sat in there, it was really cool. They had really good massages, so I was happy with that. And yeah, now I've just been trying to really pump out content on TikTok, so I've been filming a bunch. So follow me over on there if you're not already. I've been making a lot more TikToks lately. I'm enjoying it a lot, but not much has really been going on. I did get a job, which I'm so super excited about. I got a remote job, which I've been looking for a while now, and I start in September because I am going to Europe for 3 weeks in August, so they're having me start once I get back. So I'm super excited. It's going to be a challenge, not as much as a challenge before, because I was working full-time in office, really like weird hours, and I still was able to do it, but my life was miserable because I never got a break. But I think I'll be able to handle it better. I'm excited to like create a schedule for myself and like organize. I love to organize, so I want to like see what my day consists of when I'm working, and like schedule and plan. Like I love being on a routine, like wake up in the morning, go to the gym, start work, get content in like sometime throughout the day. But yeah, really excited about this job. I've been looking for one for a while now, so super excited. So that's what's going on with me. So that's kind of why I've been organizing my house a lot lately, and I'm getting rid of the furniture in my guest room. So I gotta get a desk in, and I'm trying to also shop for Europe, and just trying to do stuff like that right now. So that's what's going on with me. I might do like a little transformation guest bedroom video. We'll see. I don't know if I'm doing anything that crazy with it, but we shall see. I'm excited to have my own space now. I can edit YouTube videos in there and all that fun stuff. So excited for what's to come. I hope it's gonna be a really great opportunity. So yeah, going to make my noodles now. Good morning, you guys. I just got back from the gym. I ate a little bit of breakfast. Now I'm going to go lay out by the pool a little bit. It's such a gorgeous day out. Thought I would just chill, read a book, and lay out and really enjoy the day. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do. I bought this book a really long time ago, and I haven't read it yet. So I'm gonna bring this and let you guys know how I like it. I am back from the pool. I did not stay very long, but it felt good to get out in the sun, get some vitamin D. I just took the most amazing shower, super nice and long, washed my hair, shaved, you know, the shower. So I feel so nice and clean now. And I think I'm gonna go hang out with my grandparents a little bit. So that's what we are going to do right now. Oh my God, you guys, what a been cleaning all day, and I've only been cleaning my kitchen, which is the scary part because it's tiny. I took out every single cup, every single plate, every single thing out of every cabinet, wiped it down, vacuumed the drawers that needed to be vacuumed, literally cleaned the shit out of everything, got rid of stuff. Whatever drawers had acrylic trays, I took those out, washed them, purged. It feels really good to really just take my time and get rid of everything. I hate having clutter. Whenever I have clutter, it makes me feel overwhelmed and uncreative. And now that I have this new job, I really want to like go into it with like a nice, fresh, clean house. I know this sounds kind of weird, but I just want everything to be super organized and fresh. Good to go. So I'm just trying to get rid of all the things that I don't need, reorganize. I just feel like I have so much stuff that I just don't need and I don't use, and I'm holding on to it for no reason. But now my sister and I are about to go to the mall. She wanted to, I don't know, pick up some stuff or return something. I don't know. I'm so tired. I've been nonstop all day. This is my first time sitting down. I'm supposed to have a little protein shake. And yeah, pick this cleaning up over the weekend and get it done little by little, no rush. I really want to just take my time and do a really, really good job. So that's what I'm doing. Hello, you guys. I realized that I never updated you on what I was doing today. Hey, I'm recording. Can you stop? My sister and I went to an old trainer I used to work with today, and I haven't seen her in a while, and it was killer. It was amazing. So I've been like dead all day ever since. We just chilled. We went to a butcher shop, picked up some steaks. We're gonna grill some steaks, get some protein in after a hard day, actually very hard week of training. So excited for that, and we're just gonna chill. Super chill weekend, which I always love. So yeah, on to dinner. Hi guys, it is the next day. I am reorganizing my kitchen, and I'm going to be ending off this vlog today. Not reorganizing my kitchen, I'm sorry. Just putting a bunch of dishes away, washing dishes, seasoning some chicken, things of that sort. And then I have a nail appointment in a little bit. So that is what I'm up to today. So first we are going to clean this kitchen up. Here are the new nails. It's not focusing. Totally out of my comfort zone, but I really wanted to do it before summer was over. And I'm getting them done again in like 2.5 weeks, so I don't think I'd be able to bear this color any longer than that, so that's why I decided to do it now. I felt like it was the perfect time. But yeah. Neon yellow. Super cute if you have a tan, so I definitely need to work on the tan. But I don't know, I can't tell if I love it or not. It's just so different for me. But they're here now, so there's that. Now time to go home and start some dinner.